What is going on, QTD squad? What is going on, YouTube family, man? You got your boy Quanadon coming at y'all with another sneaker forensic video, man. But before we get into this video, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, man, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you haven't hit that noti bell, man, hit the noti bell to stay posted, man. To stay up to date with my latest videos. Come on now, it's free, it don't cost nothing. Hit the noti bell and subscribe to the channel. But anyway, man, somebody told me I had something, man. Somebody told me I had something, man. Okay. Oh. Hey, man, how I'm supposed to get this, man? That's more like it. Handy dandy knife here. So yeah, as y'all can see, man, some heat I've been waiting on. Some heat I've been waiting on is finally here. So we can get that thing open, man. Kids, don't try this at home. Alright, man. Look at this heat. Look at this heat, man. Look at this heat. Look at this heat, man. So they gave us something special, man. They gave us something different. Not just an ordinary, you know, box. You know what I'm saying? Not just one of those regular boxes with the black and white Jordan box. Well, actually it's black and red, as you can see. Over here, black and red. Black and red. So it gave us a yellow and black one, which is themed with that mustard color that's on the Pollen, man. So you got the Jordan 1 Pollen, man. I can't wait to see what they look like in hand, man. Ooh. You know what I'm saying? Stamp right there. Stamp of approval right there. You dig. Yo, these are pretty fucking fire in person, man. Oh my god. I didn't think they'd be this fire in person. I'm not gonna cap, man. Woo-wee. Yo, so this is my reaction, man. This is my reaction, yo. And the toe box is buttery, man. Yo. Oh my goodness, man. I love it. I love it, man. I love it. So, as you can see, man, it comes laced with that mustard, like that yellowish gold color, however you want to say it. Definitely clean. Those are standard laces. It's laced up and actually come with some extra laces as well. Y'all peep that, peep that. Check that out. Check that out. So you got your black laces. You also got your white laces. And then you got those yellow laces to go with it as well. That mustard color, which is pretty clean. So listen, man. Yo, I'm blown away by the quality of these. Like the leather, like this leather here, I'm not gonna say it's the best leather, but it's better than I thought. It's better than I thought, man. I love them. I love them. I'm not gonna lie. This is my first actual W since I bought shoes again. Like, I've been away from shoes for a little bit, man. I haven't bought any shoes for quite some time, about 3 or 4 months. All as well as like doing YouTube videos. I just wasn't really into it at the moment, man. There's a lot going on and things were dry. But my first cop on the sneakers app, man, I hit for these, man, in the draw. You feel me? So that's a nice little welcome back. Yeah, you feel me? But you got your black here, man. Your black toe box here, man. And then in that mid panel here, it's black as well. Then you got your gold here, like that mustard color. colorway. I mean, what more can I say about it? It's black, and I'm gonna say gold, mustard or gold, which is pretty dope, man. A lot of people are saying Steelers. Like, when you get this in hand, man, you see that mustard color really sticks out. I wouldn't say Steelers. I wouldn't say it's a gold. But it's closer to a gold than a yellow, to be honest. It's a lot closer to the gold than the yellow, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and get y'all that look right there. They clean, man. Yes, these are clean. Okay. Right down the tongue. You got that Nike on the tongue. That white print. You got that black Nike check, and right behind it, that tag is yellow. So that's a good look, man. That yellow tag sticks out on this black nylon tongue, man. I like that. Definitely like that, man. I love that. Man, these are wet, yo. Oh my goodness. Yo. These clean, man. I don't know if it's just me, but they clean, yo. They clean. I'm fucking with them, for real. Ooh, I didn't even show y'all, my bad. I didn't show y'all the bottom. Pretty sure y'all saw it already, man, but listen. Shit. Yo, don't sleep on these, man. The quality on these are not bad, man. The quality on these are not bad at all. Tumble leather on the tongue in that mid panel, as well as on that right here behind that ankle part, the collar. I don't know what I'm tripping on. I couldn't get it right, but the collar, tumble leather, man. Listen, man, do not sleep on these. Prices will go up over time, man. Prices definitely will go up. And, man, a lot of places, a lot of stores canceled their reservations, and they canceled the raffles. Late shipments, man. Y'all know how that go. They always talking about the late shipments, man. Late shipment this, late shipment that. But they clean. Yo, I love these, man. I love these, man. They clean. I don't know, man. I don't know if I want to stick with the yellow or the black. I think I'm gonna just stick with the yellow, man. I might do either the yellow or the black. Definitely gonna stay away from the white. I don't want to do the white. The white gonna throw it off for me. I think it's gonna throw it off. I'm not gonna too much mess with the white laces. But hey, man. It was good to take this dub coming back, man. But I'm going ahead and end this video, man. As I say and as I always say, it's more of an expense to hate. It don't cost a thing to show love, sneaker family. I love y'all from the top of my heart to the bottom of my soul, quick gang. And we up out of here. Peace.